Hi, welcome back. So in these data type operators, we are done with the assignment and bitwise operator. And remaining, we are having comparison, assignment, logical, membership, and identity operator. So let start from one by one. So about that assignment operator. So here you can see in assignment operators we have equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, and divided and assign, multiply and assign, modulus and assign, exponent and assign, floor divide and assign. So here you can say take an example of B, C and D. Okay, C is equal to 10 and along with D is equal to 15. So let's take an example. So try to print the each and every assignment operator from one by one. So if you take the assignment operator of C is equal to D, if you take C is equal to D, what will happen? So it will be giving the error. So how can we assign the value? So these operators mainly we are using to assignment operator in the Python. So Python to assign the values. So this is the values, right? Equal to equal to. So for that purpose we are using. Understand? So how we are using C and 15 here. So plus equal to. If you use the plus equal to sign, so how can we use plus equal to sign? Let's take an example. You can see D equal to like take an example, C is equal E equal to uh, the operators of assignment. Let's try to learn. So mainly these examples we can say. So let's take an example of you are already we are already used what here we can say x is equal to 4, right? So how to take the addition for the x is equal to 4? So if you take uh, d is equal to, let's take only the single value, c plus equal to 6. So means 10 plus equal to 6. So what is the result of C? So try to run this one. What is the output is 16, right? So how we can use this plus and equal to addition? So these operators mainly we are using uh, before the lesson of list, tuples and dictionaries. Okay, next come to the next one is operator of subtraction. C minus equal to 7. So try to use this one. Try to use this one. So just delete it and try to use this one. So here you can take 10 minus 7 is equal to C. C is 3. Okay. Next, multiplication. How can we take the multiplication? Like this way. So try to run this command. 10 into 7 is 70. And the next one is division. 10 by to assign the value. So you can use to execute the above cell. You need to use the top one. So or else you can use the bottom one, means you can use directly here. So and the next one is operator modulus equal to modulator equal to, try to run this command, is 3. So try to use the same thing. The exponent operator means double multiplication symbol. So it's a 0 0 0 0 0. So here this is a multiplication operator, double multiplication. So here multiplication, okay. So we can say directly the floor division operator, this assignment operator only, this is one. So this is how we can able to see how the perform the assignment operator. So we have plus minus, minus equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, divided by equal to, floor division equal to, and then modulus is equal to. So these are the all the examples. Okay. Next, comparison operator. Okay. Comparison operators means comparing operators in the Python with an example. So we can see in the few examples how to write that examples. Let's see. So taken in already you are using that x is equal to means c is equal to 10 and d is equal to 16, right? So you see if the condition, comparison operator, if the condition is c equal to d, okay, if you use print, if it is okay, if it is equal to, then c and d values are equal. Elsewhere, else, else what? Next one is print c and d values are not equal. So this is the output we can get directly. So you need to write the code in the single line. So try to execute this one. So you can see here. So you need to mention the colon here. Definitely. Means colon you need to mention. So it's a block of the code. So it's a block, right? If condition is a block and else condition is also the one block. So here you are using the indentation. So this indentation is completely about to comparison operator. Okay. Next one is equal to. Next one is you can take not equal to, means not equal. If it is equal, then it will be pass the value directly, true value. Otherwise, it will be false value. Next one, greater than equal to. 10 greater than 16. Okay. Then it will be not equal. If it is equal means it's like C and D values are, C is bigger. If you take C is lower and D is higher, it will be giving printing the value, and C is lower value. C is lower and D is higher value. Okay, so let's see here. Just run this. So D is higher. 10 less than or is equal to 10. So in the same way, less than or is equal to, greater than or equal to, it's a completely, we can say it's a comparison operators. So hope we are done. So what we are done last in this video. First one is to, after the bitwise operator, we are learned few things on assignment operator. Then next one is comparison operator, we are done. Next is come to the logical operator. Okay, logical operator. So in the logical operators, how it will be using in the real time. So it will be using the directly like that, and or not. Okay, and or not. So how we are using directly the keywords. It's the logical operator. Let's take an example. C is equal to 10 and D is equal to 16 here, right? So try to like create another one because it's a new concept, right? So try to create and f is equal to 4, g is equal to 7. Okay, f is equal to 10, 5, 4 and g is equal to 7. So print the value. Let f is greater than 5 and x is less than 3. So try to print this one. Means false. So how it is false? Because first one is 4 less than equal to 5. It is false. And x is less than or is equal to 3. X is not here. So try to take g. Okay. If you take like this, run this, false. So both are false. So it is false. So if it is true, let's take 1. It is false only. So if you take the value, here you can say 90, you can say 790. So if both are true, then it will be true. Otherwise, it will be false. So in the same way, how can we use the OR? So take the OR, run this command. It is a true. So both are true. It will be action like this. So like take an 80, true. If you take the value, take 4. So this is the f4 greater than or is equal to, it's a false, and next one is also false. So both are false, it will be false, otherwise it will be true. Okay, this is how we are using or and operator, or and operators. Okay, so if you take the operators 10, let's take an example. If you take the value a4, the value will taken f is equal to 4, then print the value not x greater than 5 and y, sorry, x less than 15. Means x value is take 10. 10 greater than 5 means it's a bigger, so it's a lower value. So both are true only. So it's not true means how we can get false. So if you just remove the not, what will be happen? It will be true, right? So not also we are using in the logical operator, and or and also the not. So these are the logical operators. So try to remember this one, logical operator till here. Okay, so hope you understand the all the concepts one by one. Okay, try to like use the next one is identity operator. Okay, so identity operator, it is also one of the easiest thing. So it will be performed to comparison if two variables are referenced in the same memory, same variable. So there is, if two entity like is and is not, we are using, if is operator is returns two value and is not operator, here you can identity operator we are going to learn here, is and is not. Okay, is and is not. So is operator where it will works, it will be true, then both condition it is refer the same object, otherwise it will be false. Then here it is not operator is returns for the true if both variables do not refer the same object, otherwise it will be false. So let dive into the topic. And then first one is a is equal to 3, second one b is equal to 3. Let's take an example of print a is B. A is B. True. Yes. Is not means what happened. Is not means if you take list, you take the like any value. If it is the value, we can say is not. What will be the output of the identity operator? So if it is not there like this, so take the 7. So it will be false. It's a is not operator. If it is there, it will be. If it is not there, it is not in the identity operator. So if you take is not directly, yes, yeah, it's true because it is not equal to. So that's why it's an identity operator. So what's the membership operator? So in the membership operator, how it will be work? So let's take an example of membership operator. If you take the programming like directly, if you need to take the list. Okay, so list means I'm not even explained the list, the data types. I'm directly dive into the data operator. So it will be like every language is starting with variables, data types, and data type operators like that. But I explained the first concept. You need to understand the how the operator works in the uh, real time. So in the mathematical way. So let's take an example. X is equal to A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 8 comma 9 comma 4 comma 3 like this. So take an example A, that in A in B. Okay, A in B. So it is a what? True. If you take A is not in B. Yeah, it's a false. So this is how we can able to represent the values, represent the things which is work in the real time. So take membership operator in and not in. So here is and is not. This is how the operator works. So in the next we can see how the remaining some variables, data types, how we can declare the data types. So how we can represent the conditional statement in the real time, and also the looping statements we are having. So that we can see in the next sessions. So try to learn the concept. If you are not understand, try to pause the video and try to complete it from the starting. Thanks everyone. Hope you understand and enjoy the session, and all the best.